chipotle and brown sugar caramelized so perfectly on this fish. Best fish I've ever eaten in my life. going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor. I'm Antoine, and I'm going to show you this delectable salmon that I just created. We're going to talk about it. So we're going to dive right into this salmon here. Please excuse the ice maker. Man, this thing is good. The chipotle and brown sugar caramelized so perfectly on this fish. Best fish I've ever eaten in my life. Maybe I'm being a little dramatic, but it's pretty damn good. Somebody come look at this. Y'all see that right there? Perfectly cooked. You want your salmon to flake. Okay, you're looking for that nice opaque color. Alright? And on top of it, I got some cilantro, some peppers, some sweet potato. You got some corn, some black beans. You got zucchini. I mean, there's everything in this thing. So coming up, closest thing to fish I got was whiting. I had to take it out the freezer and put some green peppers and onions in it. It's about 7 to 8. Put some butter in that thing and season it. This right here, next level. Next level. I like making dishes like this. I like making all kinds of foods. So on this channel, that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a ton of different foods. We're gonna do food challenges. We're gonna do a whole lot of stuff to keep you guys entertained, keep you engaged, and keep you learning. That's what it's about. So as we get better, our level of knowledge increase. Our skill to cook will increase. We'll be untouchable. I ain't trying to drop nothing. There's so many layers of flavor in this thing. It's just, the textures is just amazing. The flavor is unbelievable. Look at that. Washing down some good tea. But if you guys have any ideas on, what you'd like to see me cook, let me know. I like to engage, you know what I mean? I like to talk to the people, my family. I love to feed my family. That's what it's about. Everything I make is made with love. Just like my grandma taught me. If you want to learn how to make this, check out the ingredients and the instructions in the description. Listen, if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the notifications. All right? And don't forget to comment as well. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If it looks good, if you think you can make it, okay. If you want to see me cook a particular dish, let me know. All right? That's what I'm here for. All right, family. See y'all soon.